Hey everyone! Glowing Star, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated releases in the smartwatch industry, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro series. This series is rumored to bring groundbreaking advancements that could redefine the standards of wearable tech. From enhanced GPS systems to next-level health monitoring, the Fenix 8 Pro is poised to deliver an unparalleled user experience. Let's explore the features, expectations, and possibilities of this eagerly awaited series. Unveiling the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro series. The Fenix 8 Pro series is rumored to bring a host of innovative features that cater to both casual users and professionals. These include enhanced GPS functionality, advanced health tracking, and improved integration with other Garmin devices. Here's what we know so far. Enhanced GPS capabilities. One of the standout features expected in the Fenix 8 Pro is its enhanced GPS system. This could include multi-band GNSS support, improved accuracy in urban environments, and faster satellite acquisition. For adventurers, these improvements promise unmatched navigation reliability. Advanced health monitoring. Health monitoring is a cornerstone of modern wearables, and Garmin is likely to push the envelope further. The Fenix 8 Pro could offer features like advanced sleep tracking, real-time stress monitoring, and blood oxygen level analysis. Additionally, the integration of AI-driven insights could personalize health recommendations for users. Seamless ecosystem integration. Garmin has been expanding its ecosystem, and the Fenix 8 Pro is expected to be a seamless part of it. Enhanced connectivity with Garmin's fitness and navigation devices could make the Fenix 8 Pro a central hub for athletes and outdoor enthusiasts. Expanded fitness features. The Fenix 8 Pro could introduce new sports modes and training metrics. From triathlon tracking to advanced recovery insights, the device might cater to a broader range of athletic disciplines. AI and machine learning. With AI becoming a growing trend in wearable tech, Garmin might incorporate machine learning algorithms to analyze user behavior and provide tailored recommendations. The big questions: pricing and release date. Garmin has not officially announced the Fenix 8 Pro series, leaving fans to speculate about its pricing and launch timeline. Here's what we can infer based on past trends. Expected pricing. Given the premium features and advanced technology, the Fenix 8 Pro is likely to be positioned as a high-end product. Previous models in the series have been priced between $600 and $1,000, and it's reasonable to expect a similar range for the new lineup. Release timeline. Garmin typically follows an annual release schedule for its flagship products. If the Fenix 8 Pro aligns with this pattern, an official announcement could be just around the corner. The release might coincide with major tech events or fitness expos to maximize visibility.